Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We wish to introduce you a new wooden coffee stirring stick packing machine. It is two-sides feeding type. It is for packing multiple quantities of coffee stirring sticks. This is the packing effect. This machine is a multiple quantity packing machine. It is double-side feeding type. You can see that it has two sides feeding. It will largely improve the efficiency for working. This machine should be worked with air compressor. This is the material holder. This is the coffee stirring sticks. This is the sealing area. This is the final packing effect. This machine is an ideal machine for multiple quantity packing. For example, if you wish to pack 200 pieces, 300 pieces, or more quantities, you can consider this machine. In this video, we are packing 450 pieces in testing. In this video, we are using bamboo coffee stirring stick. The packing effect is very satisfying. This machine is two sides feeding type. You can see that the coffee stirring sticks can be fed from two sides. It will largely improve the output for this machine. After reaching the counted quantity, the materials will be falling down to the packing material area. In this video, it is for pack 450 pieces per bag. The output for this machine, it is related to the coffee stirring stick size and also each bag packing quantity. In this video, each bag packing quantity is about 450 pieces. This is the cutting and sealing area. You can see that it is well packed. You can also set the packing quantity according to your needs. Our machine has CE certificate. The operation for this machine is very easy to master. If you wish to know more information about this machine and the price list, don't hesitate to contact us. Don't hesitate to let us know your coffee stirring stick size and also packing quantity for each bag. In this video, we are using bamboo coffee stirring sticks. This machine, it is also suitable for wooden coffee stirring stick packing. The length for the stirring stick is 110 mm. This machine can be customized according to your need. For output for this machine, thank you for choosing Best Machine China. Our machines can be customized according to your specific requirement. Our machines are widely exported to many countries. We also have our own import and export company for handling machine exporting. Thank you for every customer's trust. We can also provide you CE certificate for this machine. Win-win cooperation. Our service is guaranteed. Best Machine China is your first choice. Don't hesitate to contact us. This is our WhatsApp number. Welcome to add us. This is our email address. Welcome to add our WeChat. Welcome to add our WhatsApp. Welcome to visit our company website for more detailed information. Don't hesitate to contact us. Welcome to share our channel, subscribe our channel. Special thanks to our customer from Italy. Thank you for watching. Thank you.